Welcome back to the channel, guys. If you guys are new to the channel, I'm known as Novice Adventurer. Today we're gonna be going back to Walmart to build my fishing tackle. I was gonna go to Shields or Cabela's to do this, but I was like, I didn't want to spend a lot of money and I still wanted to do it on a budget. So I figured, you know what, let's give Walmart a try. I mean, I did my camping stuff from over there and that worked out great, except, you know, the sleeping bags, that didn't work out great. But hey, that was from Shields, but it was still a good sleeping bag. Just froze my butt off. We're gonna go back to Walmart and check out what they got.
In 2 miles.
I was gonna get the fishing pole from over there. I ended up getting it from Costco. I was actually there the other day and they had a ugly stick elite that was like a combo kit. So it came with the pole, the reel, you had some rubber live bait, and you had the line. So for 70 bucks, I was like, you can't go wrong. That's a really good deal. So I couldn't pass that up. So I'll have that clip right now for you guys to show you. Oh man, you got the ugly stick here. That's awesome. $69.99. We were at Costco right now just looking for supplies, but didn't think I was gonna run into this. And I believe this is gonna be a really good start. So I'm gonna get this ugly stick, E Elite from Costco. I think this is a really good deal. It comes with your line, it comes with your hooks, it comes with some rubber bait. I think for the value, you can't go wrong. The only thing is you have to spoil up your own line. Yeah, this is good stuff. Comes with a pack of power bait, some hooks, you got the line. I like that. Budget friendly too. But I'm still going to be going to Walmart to give me lures and other accessories, especially a tackle bag. All right, and we are back. Just got to Walmart, going to be heading in and let's go check out what they got. So first of all, we found the fishing aisle. We got all our poles. We got all of our live, our power bait, all those things. Got our lures. Pretty much all lures down here. Then at the other end, you got all your weights and reels. But the first thing to start off with is I want to get my tackle bag. So this is an Ozark tackle bag. It is $23.46, I believe. Good value. Can't go wrong. Got a lot of pockets. It's a medium-sized tackle bag. A lot of zipper compartments. We got a lot of compartments. You can put your reels in here. And you got to open the big compartment. Those are 3 tackle containers. Put all your weights, lures, bait, whatever you need to put in here. You can put it in. Then you got this little pouch here. I think it's waterproof, so you can keep things from getting wet. You want to put your knives or your your long nose pliers. All right. Then you got another side pocket right here. Then you got another one right in the front. Nope. Another zipper compartment inside. So Ozark Trail, Walmart. If you guys don't want to spend the big dollars, this is where you come and get. Be budget friendly. All right. So next thing you want to get for your tackle, clippers. This is also an Ozark Trail brand. $3.88. These are going to be good to cut. Just cut fishing line. Cut line in tight places. So great tool to have for your tackle bag. So throw that right in here. Next thing I want to get is I want to get some long nose pliers just to take the hooks off the fishes. They swallow the hook sometimes, so sometimes you gotta get deep in there to get them out. See, Ozark never fails. So here's this one right here, $7.87. Ozark Trail. All right, so the next thing I want to get is I want to get some rubber bait, or power bait. There's a bunch of brands out there. You got Gold, you got Power Bait, you got Stray King, Guggen Baits, more Power Bait. I'm gonna be honest, I don't know which one to really get. I'm still really new to this freshwater fishing. I'm used to fishing off the land in the ocean, like Pacific Ocean. I'm real new to this game. If you guys got recommendations for me, leave in the comment section. I would really appreciate it. But I'll spend a little, and I'll probably gonna get some power bait. So do this, man. I think green looks cool. I think that's a pretty cool color. I think they'll go for that. So we'll do this. $5. So throw that in the tackle. Then the next thing I saw was, I thought these were really neat. These Ozark Trail topwater frog lures. I thought this was really neat. $1.94. So I'm gonna definitely let you guys know how this works out. I'm gonna try yellow though. I think yellow's gonna be good. Then we're gonna move down here. Budget friendly, $4.88 a lure. So we have a lot of options. We got a 3-hook, then we got a 2-hook. We're gonna go with, you know what? I do like blue. My truck is blue, so we're gonna go with blue. Throw that in there. Then we're gonna come along a little bit more down here. I'm gonna get one more kind of lure. I'm not 100% on the name on this, guys. If you do know, please throw it in the comment section and give me an idea on the right name of lure this is, with the little fluff tail on the end. I'm kind of just gonna throw it out there and kind of guess on which one to get. What do you like? What if we do a large and a small?
I guess, yeah.
Yeah, we'll do that. We'll do a small right here.
Oh, I like that one.
We'll do a small, and we'll do a, you know what, I'm gonna go for the pink one. So I'm gonna go with the pink and this little one right here. Watch him catch a monster with this one. All right, we'll throw it in the tackle. All right, so I got some of these other items. I didn't want to go over there. There was doing some things, so I didn't want to bother some people. So we got these Ozark Trail. They're 2-inch snap-on floats, 3-pack. They were like $1.88 or $1.90. Then I got me some hooks. They're gonna be a size 2, 15-pack. These were $1. Then after that, I got a 20-pack round split shots. Weights, size 4. They were like $2 or $2 or $3. Everything in this tackle is basically Ozark Trail, except these 2 lures and the power bait. The only 3 non-Ozark Trail items I got. Walmart's fishing license machine was, I think it's broken. So we're at Dick's Sporting Goods now. Hopefully theirs is working. Probably should. Let's go see. Fishing license. Oh, sweet. All right, this is the whole fishing tackle. The only thing I forgot to get was the fishing net. But I did order one on Amazon, so it will be coming very soon. We're heading out to the lake right now to go fishing. We're gonna go try out the fishing tackle I bought. I don't know if the Mississippi or the Minnesota River runs down by it, but I know there's another lake right there, so I'll find out and let you guys know when I get down there. But don't forget, make sure you guys get your fishing license before you do any fishing, man. You don't want to get in trouble for that stuff. If you guys like to go to all the state parks and stuff, get the park pass, man. It's like $35 a year. It's a good deal. You get to go to all 75 state parks. All right, guys, got the Fort Snelling. Got my supplies, got my pole, got my fishing bag. She's carrying the bag or the chair. We're gonna go fish in the Mississippi. Just gotta walk a little bit, not too far. Maybe like not even 5 minutes, probably 5 minutes. I really want to go to Mille Lacs Lake, man, and try it out there. That's probably where I'm gonna go next. I got some things coming up right now. I'm gonna be gone on a little trip for about a week. Not a week, about 5 days. International. So got some really cool stuff coming up for everybody. So look forward to that. And you know, in the comments, if you guys want to guess, try to figure out where I'm going. I can just tell you it's warm. I know that. Beats this weather right now. It's currently about 45 degrees. The wind's blowing. It's not too bad. I'm only gonna get about a couple hours in. It's supposed to snow this afternoon. And yes, it's snow. It's like mid-April and it's still snowing. But you know what, man? That's why we moved here. Just to witness all these 4 seasons, you know? Moved here from Arizona. And I tell you what, it's hot out there. And it's not fun. When it's 115 degrees for 4 weeks straight, it's not fun. I can tell you that. It gets old real fast. So we just decided to say, hey, you know what? We packed up, sold our house, and came to the sunny state of Minnesota. All right, I'm gonna use this blue one. I'm gonna try this one out first and see how that goes.
What happened, Bim?
He's getting caught up in grass. We're gonna have to change spots. Oh, weed?
Did you almost lose your...
Yeah, I almost lost a lure on the weed, guys. It wasn't even in the water. It was the weed. Let's change it up. A switch. Can't find a flat spot out here on the river. It's kind of hard right now. It's too much freaking branches and things everywhere. That other side is flat over there, but I can't get over. I don't know how to get over there.
What is happening?
They just died. They're old. It's the catch of the day.
That's
all we're gonna catch, that dead fish. Okay, we're at spot number 2. We're at the pier. I gave in. We're at the pier. Hey, you know what? It's like my own private lake. There's nobody here, so it's better. Look at the yellow perch.
No, I think that's a common carp.
We got freaking every fish possible. Oh, it's a freaking huge one, man. See it? Oh, it's a freaking pike. Oh, he's a monster.
I got it. You got it?
Yeah, I got it.
I got the pole.
I might lose him.
What?
I might lose him.
What do you mean?
He might be too big to bring up. Sorry, buddy. Let go. Right there, dude. Got it off. Sweet. You're let it go.
Is it good?
Yeah, it's good. It's gone.
It's gone?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh, freaking bit the fuck out of that. I'm sorry. Jeez. It's okay.
Did you see him swim away?
Yeah. Oh, that was a pike. Did you see that? That was a big one. Woo.
Let's use a metal leader. Pike have sharp teeth. Cast spoons or still fish with a sucker minnow. Tells you catch and release.
Yeah.
Careful with northern pike. Their teeth are sharp. And of course, the first one you catch is a northern pike.
I was like, I wanted to catch a northern pike, and I got one.
On the first try.
First try. That's awesome. I'm gonna try some of that barbie now. Punch it down, close it. See? That's it. No, they're not gonna put power bait at all right now. It's cold out here though. My hands are freezing. Oh, man. Yeah, I'll try one more time, then if not, call her a day. See what happens. I'm using another lure though. Get this one up. Then my brother would say one more cast. And after 20 casts later, we're still there.
The middle of the ocean.
Well, I'm back in the truck. I'm done freezing. It's cold out there. It's windy. Man, it's hard to fish in the wind, man. You can't even get that thing out there. Try to throw that lure out there. You gotta throw it with the wind. It's a lot better. Well, for the recap, I caught a pike. Northern pike. I think it was over a foot. The hook was really stuck. I got it off. I tried my best to take care of him and get the hook off the best I can, and I just had to get him. I was just thinking to get this guy in the water, so I got it off safely. The fish was fine. Got him in the water, so that was the most important thing. I was like, I gotta get this fish in the water. Other than that, he bit the blue Ozark lure I bought. For some reason he liked it. I guess they liked that blue one or something about it. Whatever it was, it liked it. It went for the blue. Then I tried the power bait. Power bait, nothing, man. I mean, if I'm doing this wrong with the power bait, guys, throw me a comment. Maybe guide me somewhere else that I should try the power bait at. But I didn't get no bites, nothing. Then I changed it over to like the yellowish spoon lure. Nothing. I did have one fish follow it in when I was reeling it in. No bite. We were out there for about 2.5 hours. I caught the pike on the second cast. Insane. Off of the pier, so that was awesome. Pretty much the highlight of the day. That's gonna be it for today's video, guys. If you guys are still watching, thanks. I appreciate all the support. Thanks for you guys being here. If you guys haven't, please subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and turn on that post notification so you guys don't miss out on my future content. I'm Novice Adventurer. I'll see you guys in the next one. I can get it open. There you go. Just debating though, green or yellow. I think yellow sticks out more, so I think a fish colorblind. I don't know.
Is the chair not gonna blow away? I don't know. He's playing with sticks and branches now. I don't know. I don't really see anybody there, so I assume maybe it's a closed park today.
I don't know.
Well, I don't know. I see some people.
I could swim.
Oh no, that's not people. That's Goose. He's like, listen, this is my first food of the day.
Yeah, he's like, I'm not letting this go. You're aggressive.
I'm getting motion sickness from being on this pier.
Really?
Ew, I eat it. Oh boy. I think you should probably put that back, babe. No? You should probably put that back, and she thinks it's gonna fly away. Yeah. Okay, we'll do it. Huh?
Film that.
Why? I'm getting ready. It snagged it. I wonder if it's gonna bite it now. Oh, it tells you what hook to use on the power bait.
Yeah, I used to hook.
Oh. The other bait?
Huh?
Are you using the other bait?
Another bait.
Oh, you didn't take the other one out?
No.
Oh. Then I don't know what I'm talking about.